This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, later I will check all your activity files. Okay, before 9 o'clock I will update. Okay, so this file I'll share in our WhatsApp group. Okay, so today I'm going to target what is that? One more new task, task number 7. Okay, so I'll just give that outline. Okay, so here you can able to uh, see that one India map. Okay, right. So I just created one India map in Excel applications. Okay, you can also create as a chart format. Okay, so this options is available in your Excel. Check for after MS Office 2013. If you are using older version 10 and 7, okay, so this options will not have. Okay, this will not work. And you just go to that insert tab and check whether you can able to find that option is map. Okay, if the word is there, you can able to generate this task. If the word is not there, okay, the map which is not available, okay, so you can able to go to internet, you can download MS Office, you can install it. Okay, even I will tell you if you want MS Office package, you can able to download for your system. You can install it off. Any of them are using older versions?
So is this available on Google Sheets?
Just have a look over there in Google Sheets. Check it out. Go to that insert tab and check it out. Is it map is available?
No, sir, map is not there.
Yeah, because Google Sheets it's working through online. Okay, so that moment this options will not be there. Okay, so I'll tell you now how to download this MS Office package from internet.
So mine is a Mac. I'll have to like buy it
Yes.
separately. That's why I get it.
Okay. Or else you have to take some other systems you need to suppose to work.
Okay.
Okay. Or else I'll give one more alternate way. Okay, you can get this software, but it is not full featured versions. Okay, so you just type that word get into PC, and from here I'm just going to type Microsoft Office Mac. I can search the software. Here, the download Microsoft Office 2019 for Mac. Then click here, and little bit you can able to scroll down. Okay, so here you can able to find that button, download full setup, and then the password to open the software is 123. Okay, you can able to install if you are using Mac. Okay. If the people, if you are using any other older version, 2007 or 2010, for that you just remove that word of Mac. Okay, so here you can able to find Microsoft Office 16. You can install, and 13 also it will work. Okay, so you can also install this MS Office 2016 Pro Plus, and just make it little scroll down, and there is a one small video will be there how to install the software, and you can find 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system you can install, and you can use the passwords to open the software. Okay, fine. So the people, if you are using older version, you can work on this. Okay, I think some few in that you are facing that issue. Okay, so that moment you can able to find the map properly. Okay, guys, let's start the session. How to generate this type of window and then the chart presentation. So here you just take a look. What is this map is going to present? Okay, so this is that one real-time example. Okay, what is that? COVID-19. I want to find total number of confirmed cases in India. Okay, got it here. So that is what, and what is that record? I can get it freely from the internet. I can use. Okay, now I'm going to give one data for you, and I'm just telling that to generate one India map and present which state have more number of cases. Okay, in that presentation window itself, you can able to understand more number of cases from Maharashtra. Okay, right? So that is what it is. It is so dark green. Okay, right? And second, I can also understand that when presentation itself, Tamil Nadu. Okay, from that here, little dark. Okay, understand? And the next one I can able to find Karnataka, and then from here Andhra Pradesh. Okay, if you move the cursor itself, you can understand that which state contains more. Got it here? Fine. And here, example, I have Andhra Pradesh and some states, and I'm going to change the number you take. Got it clear? So I'm going to change the number. For example, Rajasthan. So I'll just go to that letter R. So here I have some number. So this number, okay, maybe I can give what is it, some number I will change. For example, I can able to give a number. Okay, find some numbers I enter. Immediately the color will get changed to Rajasthan. Okay, so automatic. So based on the number of cases, I can present which state I have more number of what is it, confirmed cases over here. Okay, again I'll press Control Z and back to the design. Okay, so right now, so this is that state. Okay, Maharashtra, we have that more number of confirmed cases. So how to get it this particular file? Can you see this? I have two sheets. One is confirmed cases India. Confirmed cases in India. What sheets, one record, one data sheets are there? In this sheet, I have the state column, Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and then Assam. So I have some few states over here. In that, the date wise in the sense that 1st of January. Okay, right? So the January 30th. Okay, January 30th of 2020. In Andaman Nicobar, I don't have any number of cases. In Andhra Pradesh, I don't have. So where it is started in the sense it's from Kerala. Okay, in Kerala, the first case one is got failed. Okay, and second date 31st of January. Okay, 31st of January. I have that one more cases. The next February of 1st of 2020, two cases are failed. Okay, and next, so keep on the days. Okay, I can able to go to the date wise column. Okay, so date wise column means from here you can able to understand. Okay, so the date format. Okay, so you can understand the date wise, and from here I'm getting some number one. So in that the day of 3rd March, okay, got it clear, right? So that means okay, so 2nd of March. 2nd of March in 2021, okay, there is that one case is confirmed. In which state it is? Okay, it's Delhi. And in Karnataka, okay, I want to see that in Karnataka, what is the number it's happened. Okay, fine. Here, I'll just make it little right hand side scroll. Yeah, fine. Here. In which day it is? That means the date I want to know. The first confirmed cases. It's 9th of March. Okay, right? So 9th of March, the first case is generated here. Okay, fine. So this data set, where I can able to get it. Okay, you can able to get it from internet. Okay, free of cost. So no need to pay any data over here. Fine. And based on that, we can able to generate this sheet. Okay, fine. This is what I have asked. Guys, any doubts over here? Shall we start the session? How to generate this India map in Excel? Shall I continue my session? Any doubts? Everyone just enter into that chat window. Is it clear, right? Any doubts? Yeah, fine. Right. Okay, all good. So now I'll close this Excel file. Okay, I'll just close this Excel file. So I just closed. Okay, right? And then some few data I'll close it. Okay. Now, so this data file, okay, I need to get it from internet. Okay, how to get that? So first, everyone, you need to enter into that website. Okay, that website name is, what is it? Okay, right. So this is the website. So this website is useful for some people. They will go for data science, data analyst. Okay, particular, right? So those type of job type. Okay, I can use this website for my career. Right, I can get some data freely cast and I will work on it. Now already I logged in and I'm going to sign out my profile. Okay, and here you just type the website .com and here you need to go to that sign in, right? So once if I click that sign in button, okay, you can able to find that sign in with Google. Okay, I'm going to click on this option, sign in with Google. I click and then I'm going to confirm that account from my Gmail account. I confirm. And once if it is entered into this particular website, okay, so the data set, okay, data set means it's already, we have that lot of data sets from this website. Now I'm going to search, options can be called as COVID-19. Okay, and one more word I'm going to add, India. Okay, just enter the button, COVID-19 India. Then you can able to find that the first record is there, right? India versus COVID-19. Okay, so you just take a look from this here, India versus COVID-19. Just click on this option, and once if you click, and then you can find that one more word. The word is data. So click on this options data over here. Make it little scroll down. Okay, so what I showed that presentations. Okay, you can able to find that options state. Okay, all the states it will be get displayed, and then the date wise. Okay, right, and then you can find that button. What is it? Download button. After when you see this preview, the file name is confirmed cases India.csv file. Okay, right. So this is one data set. CSV file is nothing but it will open in Excel only. Okay, so once if you selected this file, and from that right hand side you just click on this download button, so that Excel file, that's a CSV file format, will be get start to implement here. Okay, you just take a look from the bottom. I'll click on this file. Okay, it will open in Excel only. Okay, so now this is the file. Okay, so this is the file, and I want to work. Okay, I want to work in another sheet. So I have all the name of the states from here, and I'm going to take one more sheet, that means new sheet. After seeing this data, okay, you can able to find, so that till the last column. So what is the last column? So I can able to go for still the last day of, still how much data it contains in this particular sheet. Okay, the date is, okay, you can able to find October month. Okay, right? So 9th of October 2020. Okay, I can find from the January to, so that means 10 months records it gets stored. Okay, in this Excel file, 10 months records are there from each state, number of cases. Now, this contains from the column of HR. Okay, in the HR column contains that value, last value. Fine. So now from here, I'm going to add one more column. The column is total. Just add one column here. The column is total. So this column I can make it little some color. Okay, fine. So now just add this one column. The column is total column. And here you can use that function, that shortcut function. So what is the shortcut function for, what is that shortcut key for sum? I want to add all the numbers. Okay, so what is the shortcut key? Guys, for sum, what is the shortcut key? Make it little fast. Let's check into the chat window. What is the shortcut key for sum? No, no, I'm not getting your response, guys. Just say if you know, I can explain.
Is it Alt plus Microsoft?
Alt equal. Okay, so the shortcut you can able to use for sum. Alt and equal. Okay, so this type of questions you will get during the time of Viva report. Okay, so at moment you need to answer for those questions. Alt equal. Okay, fine, perfect. And then I'll let you show you one more thing. See, okay, whatever the few important things when we are discussing in the sessions, okay, have it take a note and make it mark. Fine. So I'll just log into that Ritikas profile. 1 second and show you. Okay, and once if you completed your all the activity one and task, okay, with successful, and then there is an options you can find from the bottom, Viva report. Okay, right? So based on your Viva report is also very important. So make mark, okay, whatever the questions when we are discussing in the sessions, that may get repeat. So that moment you need to answer for all the questions. Okay, maybe 10 or 15, I don't know. Okay, so based on your project mentor, they will ask the question. So you can use what is the use of VLOOKUP and what is the shortcut key for we used Alt plus B, right? So Control Alt B used for the paste special values, and why you used that rand between, right? And then how I can able to change that color, that arrow, down arrow and up arrow keys, and what number it is. Okay, so this all the types of questions you have to be answered for that time at the end. Okay, so you have to make it mark for all the things. Okay, fine. So I'll just press Alt equal. So immediately it will take from that column of B. Okay, the A column contains your column names. Okay, so from the B, you can see that from the B2, simply when I press, I don't need to drag from the till last. Okay, particular, right? So I need to drag from the till last. So simple, I need to give that function here equal, or I can able to click sum. The column is B2 colon. I can type HS. Okay, HS is this is that column. Okay, right? So from this column HS2. So that moment it will type. So manually I can able to enter the data, or else simply you can use that shortcut key. Place the cursor, press Alt equal. It will select that entire row and make it enter button. Okay, but yeah. So from here you can able to find some numbers. So number of total active cases in particular state. Okay, fine. So now this moment you just make it double click. So place a cursor and double click. Just that small green color dot operator is there, right? Hold on that control. If you drag, so till how long I can able to drag? Okay, that I don't want. I don't want to drag if I have 10,48,576 is the entire row. I can't able to hold on my control key and drag all the things. So simple. You just place a cursor here and you can able to find that a small green color dot. Okay, that moment you will get that black color plus. Just double click. It will set your entire row till the last what value you have. Okay, right? So once if you completed this generating the total column, fine. Okay, once if you completed and select that state name. Okay, you just select the state name. All the state name you just select that and press Control C. Okay, you just press Control C, select all state names and take one more new sheet and do right click. And there is no one more options for renaming the sheet. I click that sheet name. I'm going to type COVID-19. Okay, I'll just add the name and so now I just named as COVID-19 India. Okay, so from this particular column, copy that range of state name and paste it. Okay, so simply you can extend your column names. So how much you want, you can extend. Okay, fine. And then from here, I want the numbers. Here, I want the numbers. I want the numbers from this sheet. So that what is the total? What is it? The total column is there, right? Here. Okay, this numbers I need to be present over here in this particular column. Okay, so here again I'm going to type that name can be called as total. Okay, fine. So just type that word. What is the total? I'll just make it mark as color as something. Okay, some few things you just give or understand words and bold. So now just place the cursor here. Okay, so just place the cursor and press equal. Press equal. So just make it equal symbol and go to that sheet. That means the confirmed cases India sheet. Just click that cell range and enter button. Just select and press enter. That's it. So automatically what will happen? That value will be generated. Okay, right? And repeat again one more time. And just place a cursor, double click. Whatever the column values are there, that will be generated in this particular sheet. Okay, and repeat again one more time. Just place a cursor and press equal. And go to that before the sheet, confirm cases India. Just select the number. Okay, right? Just select the number and press enter. Select and press enter. Don't do anything. That's it. Just click that number and press the enter key. Okay, that number will be passed from this confirmed cases India to COVID-19 India sheet. Okay, place a cursor and do double click over there. Guys, is it clear, right? Any doubts? Any doubts? No. Guys, just have some communication, right? So that moment I can understand whether I can able to go forward or whether I want to repeat again one more time. Okay, you have the chat window, right? You just put one message. That moment I can understand. So if the people who are be very silent, okay, I don't know what I need to do next. Yeah, fine. That's all. Just put one message. I can understand. I will forward next step. Yeah, fine. Good, good. I appreciate it. Okay, fine. So now from this particular sheet, I have the state column and total number of cases for each individual states. Now, once if you done this work, and go to that options for file. Okay, right? Go to that options for file, and then from the file menu, you can find that last options is more. Okay, so click on these options and go to that one more thing. One is feedback and options will be there. Just click that option. Okay, fine. And in the general, in this Excel options, you can find general formulas and fruit. So all the options are there, right? So here you can able to click that word. Example, add-ins. Okay, so click this word add-ins, and then from the right hand side, you can confirm that one options is listed here. Okay, so click this add-ins here, and then see to that Microsoft Power Map for Excel, it will be displayed in this list. If it is available, you can generate that India map. So if it is not available in the list, so what we need to do? Okay, so it is not displaying here. Okay, in my system, I'm using 2013, MS Office 2016 and 19, but it is not displaying by default. Okay, so that moment, how to add this one? And here you can find that word manage Excel add-ins go button. Okay, so just click on this button. Okay, see to that from the bottom, manage Excel add-ins and go button will be there. Click the moment, fine, and you can able to enable all the options here. Just you can enable all the options and click OK button. Okay, fine. So once if you've done that work, and for the fraction of seconds, what will happen? You can see to that that add-ins will be generated. Okay, right? Again, I'll go there. More options, and then add-ins. So once if you've done, the things will be get added. Okay, that Microsoft Power Map for Excel will be added. Select that options Microsoft Power Map for Excel. Select, and here I'm going to click that options for OK. Okay, once if you select and click confirm that OK button, fine. Now I'll place the cursor, press Control A. Okay, press Control A. Select this entire range of the table. Okay, once if you press Control A, you can able to select this entire range. Fine. And then now Control A. Control A is nothing but is a shortcut key for select all. Okay, I'm selected that range. Okay, place the cursor and Control A. Select this, and you can find that option insert. Go to that insert tab, and then you can have the options for map, and here there is an options for fill. So now I got generated this India map, and I'm going to extend this chart, and still more for my presentations I'm going to extend. Okay, great. So now for that moment I want some different styles. Okay, so the map is generated. I want to see that some styles. Okay, so now once if you have the chart, and here you can able to see that some style I can generate. So it's up to your wish. Okay, so whichever the color you want to generate, you can able to make it display. So no issues. So now I'm going to present the data in this format. Okay, so I want this black background. Okay, fine. So a little bit I can extend this data. Okay, now I can see that India map, but I'm not seeing that the names. Okay, the name of the each state. Okay, but some state it contains dark blue. Okay, fine. And just click that chart, and then from the right hand side you can able to see that some plus operator will be there. Okay, right? And do right click on this. Just do right click. Okay, not left click, guys. Okay, you need to use right click. Okay, sometimes it will work if you are use laptop. Okay, so use right click options, and then you can able to find that name, right? What is that? Data label. Okay, I'll just put one tick mark. So that moment I'm getting number. I don't want number. I want name of the state. And from the right hand side, there is that one small arrow mark will be available. just click that arrow mark and go to that option for what is that? More data label option. So click on this option. Okay, right? I don't want that values. So here in that more data labels, I'll remove that value over there. So what I'm going to apply? I'm going to apply the category name. Okay, fine. So that moment you can able to see that the names will be applied. Okay, fine. And next from here you can find some effects. If you want to add, you can add. I want to make some, what is that? Some styles. Okay, fine. If I can able to add some styles for the characters and glow effects, if you want to add, and you can able to make it display. Okay, text to options. I want to make it what is it? Some color. It is in white color. I want to go for some different colors. I'll go for red. Okay, right. And then for that text, if you want some style, that you can. So here, text options. Yeah. Okay, it is in solid fill. Text outline. If I want to give the text outline, I can add some text outline. So you can use. Okay, right. So whatever that colors, if you want, you can apply. Okay, so better it will be there in red or something. It will be white. Okay, fine. So now, so on small presentations. Okay, got it clear, right? So now you just take a look what we discussed. So here I can see Karnataka here. If I have more number of cases, okay, fine. I'll remove this value and I'm going to type some huge range. Immediately it will take into that action. Okay, got it clear, right? Understand? So I'll back to that original values. So it will remove. Okay. So now this is what the name can be called as data visualizations. Okay, right? So I can make it little, merge that center. I'll merge that all the center over here. And here, this is that word is equals to data visualization. Okay, so what is meant by data visualizations? And guys, you can also find in some YouTube's some ads. Okay, they will talk about what is a Tableau, Power BI. Okay, right. So the numbers. So now, if I tell numbers to someone, okay, or if I present numbers, okay, only if this table when I'm presenting, okay, that moment it won't be understandable. Okay, so numbers will not be understandable by my presenting data to my team people. So better, I have another way as a chat window. Okay, so this is like my chart. So this chart I can able to show. Okay, I can rename this chart. I can type India 2020 report. Something I can able to give some name. Okay, and present. So now when they can see that my final presentations, okay, they can understand. Okay, Maharashtra they have that huge. What is the total numbers of COVID-19 confirmed cases in India, so they can understand the presentations. Okay, yeah. So this is the work you need to target. Okay, it's very important because this website. Okay, what I said that website. Okay. Now, for example, if I have in India, I want to find total number of power plant. Okay, right? That means power plant. I want to know wherever that power plant. So now I can get that from the website. Okay, got it clear, right? And I hope before we discussed about that movies and all. Okay, maybe I given the presentations. I want some movies and all. So that movie list also I taken from this website. Okay, from that what is that particular website you can log in and you can able to get it over there. And again, I'll go to that my website. Okay, from the left hand side you can able to see to this. Okay, right. So this type of movie recently I used. Okay, so that movie data sets I can download from internet. I can present the data over here. Okay, movies metadata set. Okay, and here the budget. The what is that? That movie type. Okay, but clear. So the moment when I use this all the data sets from real time, but clear, right? So when I go for job, this TCS internship, okay, got it clear, right? And right now, so many people they are getting that, what is that? Interview call from TCS. Okay, got it clear, right? So they want this type of real work. So before what we done, we are working with Excel, adding some student, total 3 subjects, and then creating that employer reports. So that is all. It is a basic level. Okay, so this real time. Okay, so almost all of them, including some 4 people. Okay, so no, all of these 4 people and others, almost you completed 4 tasks you just crossed, right? I hope you can understand what is meant by Excel, what I can do it. Okay, what are the functions I can use, what are the functions I can able to write my own. Okay, so this and all, it's a real time professional works. Okay, got it clear, right? It's not, so right now this internship is not for our education purpose. So we are right now is an internship in the sense you are working in TCS. Okay, got it clear, right? So you are working in TCS and you are getting that product what they want, and based on that you are sitting for 1 hour, 2 hours, okay, right? And you are trying again and again, and sometimes some things it's not working. I'm entering into that time and I'm trying to solve the problems. If you go for job, no one they will be ready to help you out, right? Got it clear, right? It's a work. Definitely I'll feel okay if one of the person is crossing over my profile. But okay, right? So I never used to get that anyone is help in my problems. So I need to solve. I need to see that. Got it clear, right? So this options is not available. This map options is not available in my system. So what I need to do? I need to check for other source. Okay, got it clear, right? I'll go to college. I'll check in that lab systems. Okay, in lab, is it possible I can able to see that options for what is that map options just for 10-15 minutes my task is completed. So this, so you people need to work on it. Okay, right? Is it clear, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts for this task? Yeah, fine, fine, I appreciate. And then guys, the people who completed that 4 tasks, task 1, task 2, I think someone, I forgot the name. I think Ankita, I'm not sure. 3 reports I received right now. Okay, right. So here from tomorrow by evening, okay, I will upload all your tasks and then what is that, your work to the project mentor. Okay, from tomorrow by evening, almost you will get 21 percentage. Okay, got it clear, right? Out of 100 you will get full marks. Okay, right? And others, the people who are sending that report, okay, right, along with your task I'll forward. Okay, so from tomorrow most of the people you will get 21. Okay, no minus marks. Okay, fine, who completed all the tasks and then activity report. Okay, got it clear, right? I'll assure with this you will get full marks. And then little fast we will work on this meanwhile time. Okay, before this what is that report work you can able to work, and then go for report number 4. Okay, right? So the people who completed more than 5, okay, more than 4, no issues. Okay, more than 4 if you completed you can go for that next report number 4. In that report number 4, uh, uh, 3 reports is completed like that. How many reports are completed? 3, right? 3 or 2? I'm not sure. Okay, fine. 2, right? So now I need to target report number 3. Okay, right? So same similar kind. Once if you completed your task, Okay, once if you completed your task and log in your profile. Okay, again I will repeat one more time. Profile. I'll go to the dashboard. I couldn't able to work with the profile. Okay, I logged in. Okay, same. Okay, you can able to repeat. Okay, now I'm going to click this button, continue button. Okay, I can go to that day 3 report. Again, same similar format. Okay, no need to download again and again. Okay, already you downloaded that report one, right? So you can edit in that report itself. No need to go to that every time launch button and downloading that what is the template and writing again and again. If you have that report one, you can take that report one activity file. Okay, but here, so just you need to change that date. Okay, right? So today date. Okay, so today date I'm going to mention what is it? 7/9/2022. I'm going to enter, right? And then from there it will be asked that what is a date. Okay, that means I put number 3. So date and what is that? Number 3, day 3, and then next one more column, number of hours I spent. So for that I will put number 2. Okay, so there's 3 columns I can able to make it target. Okay, fine. And once if it is done, and share that file, that report number 3 you can able to share, same similar. Okay, this is what I already work. Okay, right? You can share the file, and once if I confirm your report is okay, then you can upload the data. That means your file you can able to upload in your portal. Okay, guys. So now for this third one, what I can able to take that, go to the project reference. Okay, go to the project reference and make it little scroll down. Already we work for that the first URL, and next we work for that td.org. Now you can try for that one more website URL is elearningindustry.com. Okay, got it clear, right? So take this URL and do the research. Okay, fine. And same similar process, and you can see that what you can able to understand in that link. Okay, got it clear, right? That you can able to make it. I hope this is the same similar process. The people who completed the report 1 and report 2, sorry, excuse me. Okay, the same similar process you need to repeat. Okay, fine. And then share the file. And this task number 8. Okay, what is it, right? This task number 8, you can able to fix to complete from tomorrow. That means I don't want any pending work. So tomorrow before that class sessions, it should be end. Okay, fine. Before that class, it should be end, right? Along with your report. Okay, and still some of the people is not submitted report 1 and report 2. Okay, but again, right? And guys, once you done that task 1, task 2, and 3 and 4, right? So make sure that work on that your report. Okay, but again, right? So don't make delay. So see that for this 4 people, right? I just get that what is the response from the mentor. Okay, that person is not what is that? Not interested to what is that? Take the query. Okay, I'm just given my mail. Okay, so this candidate is out of station. Something if I tell that person's they won't understand. Okay, so if any of your friends with this 4 people, okay, particularly, right? So just you can help them. Just you can tell and they can work on it. Okay, fine, yeah, and then or you just tell them to talk to the coordinator, okay, in your college, okay, and tell them to contact NICT coordinator. This four people, what is the reason and why they're not working? Just check with them, guys. Okay, fine. Right. I'll end off this session. Any doubts over here?
Sir, I have submitted my task 6, but I can't see it
Yeah, no
verified.
issues. No, yeah, no issues. I'll verify it. Okay. Before
Uh,
9 o'clock, I will verify. Yeah. What's your name?
okay. Priyanka, second
There.
one.
Okay, sure. No issues. Yeah, I will update by today night before. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, any doubts over here? Is it clear, right? Yeah, fine. Fine. Perfect. Okay. I'll end up the session. Okay. So tomorrow we will connect again. Okay. See you.